Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Begin by inserting 2 AAA batteries into the meter compartment carefully. Press the power button to enter setup mode and set the time and date. Open a new packet of test strips and remove one strip gently by its edges. Insert the strip fully into the meter until you see the drop symbol on the screen. Load a new lancet into the lancing device and set the depth to 3-5 for fingertip testing. Wash and dry your hands thoroughly before proceeding to collect blood. Hold your hand lower than your heart to encourage blood flow to the fingertip. Use the lancing device to prick the side of your fingertip and squeeze gently if needed. Confirm a visible drop of blood and apply approximately 0.5 μl of blood to the strip sample area. The meter will begin a countdown and analyze the sample automatically without additional buttons. Do not smear or touch the strip edges while applying blood to avoid errors. Read the numerical glucose value on the screen and note any symbols or flags shown. After viewing the result, use the meter buttons to add a meal tag or note if desired. Record the numerical value in a logbook or the meter memory for future reference and trend spotting. Safely dispose of used lancets in a puncture-proof sharps container immediately after each use. Remove and discard the used test strip according to local guidance and do not reuse strips. Store remaining strips in their original vial at 430 degrees C away from moisture and direct sunlight. Replace batteries when low and consult troubleshooting for error codes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.